You've probably heard people talk about blockchain, but what is it really? In this video, I'll explain blockchain in simple terms, so by the end, you'll understand exactly how it works and why it matters. Blockchain is basically a digital ledger, like a record book, but instead of being stored in one place, it's copied and shared across thousands of servers worldwide. In case you didn't know, a server is a computer that provides one or more services to other computers or devices. Think of it like a Google Doc. Many people can view it at the same time, and if someone makes a change, everyone sees it instantly. That's how blockchain keeps data consistent for everyone. Transactions, like sending crypto, are grouped into blocks. Once a block is full, it's added to the chain in order. Each block links to the one before it, making a long, unbroken chain of information. Because each block is connected to the previous one, it's nearly impossible to go back and change old records. To hack the blockchain, you need to control thousands of computers at the same time, which is extremely unlikely. Instead of a bank or company running it, blockchains are maintained by miners or validators. These are computers that check transactions, keep the ledger honest, and in some systems earn rewards for their work. While blockchain is best known for powering Bitcoin and crypto, the technology is useful for much more. It can track supply chains, secure medical records, and even power smart contracts that run automatically. The biggest advantages? It's transparent, secure, and doesn't rely on one middleman. Anyone can check the records, and the system keeps itself honest. But blockchain isn't perfect. Transactions can be slow, networks use a lot of energy, and storing too much data isn't efficient. That's why developers are still improving it. To sum it up, blockchain is a shared digital ledger. It groups transactions into blocks, links them together, and makes the records almost impossible to change. It's the backbone of cryptocurrency, and may change more industries in the future. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Wealth Circuit for more beginner-friendly videos on crypto, stocks, and growing wealth. Thank you for watching. Bye.